win. And if I ever fail, just know I'll go again. I never quit, cause I know that every loss may lead to another win. I'm going up.
What's up, guys? We're here at day one of NPE, about to leave the house. We had to get a house because we got so many people. Now it's time to get to the show. There's gonna be what, like 50, 60,000 people at the show. We're here for 5 days. Let's get into it.
No, me and win a synonym. So if I ever win again, it's no, I did the minimum. I didn't have to sell my soul. Oh, yeah. Please don't play no games with me. It was never about the fame to me. They needed the best, so they came to me. Whoa. Who the best in this thing? Tell them, yeah, that's me. Tell them who bring the vibe. Say, yeah, that's me. Who make it flip, make it bang. Ooh, yeah, that's me. Who make the party feel alive. Tell them, yeah, that's me. My girl so proud, they get boy when they ask, is that your man? Yeah, that's me. And if I'm taking a shot, I don't miss. Who knew I would be at it?
We're like 3 hours into day one. We've walked 3 aisles, gotten stopped by 6 people. Day one of a 5-day show. We're in it for the long haul. The boys are wearing their gym shoes. Check them out. Peep that fit. The gym shoes and the crazy socks, because they're here to walk and work.
Who could take my place? I went too hard, can't feel my face. Who the best in this thing? Tell them, yeah, that's me. Tell them who bring the vibe. Say, yeah, that's me. Who make it flip, make it bang. Ooh, yeah, that's me. Who make the party feel alive. Tell them, yeah, that's me. Whoa.
And since you guys are in Dallas, if you're looking for assistance, like I understand you have no budget, right? Nobody ever has any budget for marketing. But there could be even little things that we can...
What do you guys do, like websites?
Everything.
Never fall back. We will stay right where we at. We never fall. We will stay right.
That's really nice. You guys got an also booth again. You guys are like right in that main lane there, so you got a lot of people walking past you.
We talked to Jeff for a while. Said he's been following you since day one, since you were making videos in the car in Chicago.
What?
What's really that?
And you can find me where I'm at. We never fall back. Come up with a game plan. Double XL up in the pen, you can't shake that. All the way gassed up, full tank, man. Moving too quick, keep the cameras in the playback. Dang. So tell me how you feel with it. You put a
Then go introduce yourself. Tell her you talk to Angela. Yeah, and just try. Yeah, go with them. She's a California supplier, so that's his territory.
We never fall back. Hold our ground where we at. Never fall back. No lies on facts. We will stay right where we at. We never fall back. Yeah.
Code websites to build my own website. Yeah. Started this company, started marketing it. Once I had 2 customers, I had like 3 months of savings saved up. 2 customers that were only paying me like $5 grand a month total. Yeah. I said, fuck it, I'm going all in. That was 8 years for them.
Been way down, never vaulted. Came with the hands out, get them off us.